Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cheap gifts is probably one of the most difficult things to pick, especially when you are on a tight budget, but don't worry. In this video, I will show you 5 amazing gifts that cost between $5 and $10, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. I've carefully selected each item based on its quality, uniqueness, and overall value, ensuring that you'll find something special without overspending. Get ready to discover some incredible finds that will impress your friends and family. Number 5. Original Slinky Toy. It's the classic toy you remember from your childhood. Watch it stretch, wiggle, and walk down the stairs. This metal Slinky is a timeless classic. Generations of kids have enjoyed its unique movements. It's the perfect size for little hands to grasp and play with. It's easy to stretch and watch it move. See it stretch, then watch it wiggle and walk down the stairs. It's endlessly fascinating. It's a fun fidget toy for kids aged 5 and up. It's simple, yet endlessly entertaining. Make sure you get the real thing. There's only one original Slinky brand. What we like? It's the original and it's made of metal, so it will last for ages. If you are looking for a timeless, durable toy that will provide hours of fun, this is the one for you. Kids and adults alike will enjoy its simple yet captivating design and endless play possibilities. What people say. The original Slinky is crafted from durable metal, ensuring longevity and maintaining the charm of its classic design. The Slinky's unique walking action, as it gracefully moves downstairs or simply slinks between your hands, captivates and mesmerizes. The rhythmic motion and tactile feedback of the Slinky make it an excellent stress relief tool. Number 4. Desuccus 18-in-1 Snowflake Multi-Tool. This amazing tool is more than meets the eye. It's small enough to carry everywhere, yet powerful enough to handle a variety of tasks. It's packed with 18 different functions, from screwdrivers to wrenches. You'll always be prepared for anything. Its unique snowflake shape is not only stylish but also makes it easy to grip and use. Weighing only 2.3 ounces, it easily fits in your pocket or attaches to your keys. Take it anywhere. Use it to open bottles, tighten screws, or even make repairs on the go. It's perfect for camping, biking, or any outdoor adventure. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. What we like? This snowflake-shaped multi-tool is surprisingly versatile. It packs 18 functions into a compact design, making it perfect for everyday use and emergencies. If you need a handy tool that's always there when you need it, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Very handy. I keep one in my car and one in the kitchen. Great size. Versatile and easy to save for just the right emergency. Can be stored anywhere. Well made and lots of functions. Number 3. ESSENSON Kids Binoculars. Get ready for outdoor fun with these amazing binoculars. They're perfect for young explorers, designed with safety and comfort in mind. With 4x zoom, it lets you see everything up close. It's ideal for bird watching, nature study, or even watching sports games. These binoculars are made of soft, natural rubber, protecting your child's eyes and face. The adjustable design fits comfortably. Looking for a unique gift? These binoculars are great for birthdays or any special occasion. They'll spark a love for nature and exploration. It comes with a carrying bag, neck strap, and cleaning cloth. Everything your young adventurer needs to start exploring. It's more than just a toy, it's an educational tool that encourages outdoor fun and scientific discovery. Watch your child's imagination soar. What we like? These binoculars are designed with kids in mind, featuring a durable, child-safe design and adjustable focus. If you're looking for a fun and educational gift to encourage outdoor exploration, these are a great option for young nature lovers. What people say. They are not blurry and the quality actually exceeded my expectations. Same as pictured, perfect size for her little hands and great for her little sister later. It is so light and surprisingly sturdy. The thin, but soft rope seems comfortable. It does not leave a mark on the kids, but they only had it for less than 10 minutes each. The purple that we got was bright, but not in your face, so both boys and girls love to use it. The little knob that focuses the lenses were fun for the toddlers to use too. Number 2. Pop and Dulge Movie Night Popcorn Kit. With this kit, you can easily transform your living room into a cozy movie theater. Gather your family and friends for a night of movie magic and delicious popcorn. It includes 5 mouth-watering flavors: classic salted butter, cheesy garlic parmesan, better white cheddar, creamy dreamy chive, and fiery hot pepper. There's a flavor for everyone to enjoy. These aren't your average popcorn kernels. Enjoy gourmet kernels in 3 natural earth tones: golden classic, poppin' blue, and ruby crunch. They add a fun, festive touch to your movie night. It's a great gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. This kit is perfect for date nights, family gatherings, or any special occasion. We use only the highest quality, all-natural ingredients. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, and OU kosher certified, so you can enjoy guilt-free snacking. What we like? Elevate your movie night with this gourmet popcorn kit. It includes a variety of kernels and seasonings, offering a delicious and fun experience for everyone. If you're looking for a unique and tasty gift for movie lovers, this is a perfect choice. What people say. Was a perfect gift for a movie lover. The popcorn seemed typical, nothing high-end or too special, but the seasonings were great. Each pack is perfect for 1 to 2 people. Sufficient flavoring in each packet. Cooked in my popcorn machine. Did not have a lot of kernels left in the bottom. The box comes with instructions to make the popcorn in the microwave or on the stove. It also comes with popcorn bags, and I love the variety of options they offer. Number 1. NUTTY Toys Parachute Toys. It's fun for the whole family. Play together in the yard, park, or even indoors. It's a great way to get everyone active and away from screens. Simply fold, throw, and catch. It's tangle-free and built to last, even with rough landings. Perfect for kids ages 3 and up. Get kids moving and playing outside. It encourages group play and helps develop muscles and bones. Watch them create their own games and activities. Looking for the perfect gift? This is great for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a unique and fun present for kids of all ages. Made with BPA-free plastic, it's safe for kids to play with. It makes a great party favor or stocking stuffer. What we like? This parachute toy is perfect for active play, both indoors and outdoors. Its tangle-free design and durable construction ensure hours of fun. If you're looking for a fun and active gift that will get kids moving, this is a great option. What people say. It has 2 layers of fabric and works well without fail. They are having so much fun throwing them over the banister. When thrown up, the strings do not tangle and the parachute does open. Took my 6-year-old grandson 3 tries and he got it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.